Hi there, folks, and welcome to this episode of Michael in the Backyard. I had to interrupt my current video to bring you this special news. This is a sponsored video, but I don't sponsor anything that I don't endorse and don't believe in wholeheartedly. So please hang in there, and it's going to be worth it. Hang in there. Let me tell you what's going on. This video is about the 8,250 amp, 300 PSI compressor / jump starter. This thing will jump and do all kinds of crazy good stuff. This is one of the best ones in their fleet from JFEGWO. But this, I wanted to announce and jump in before I get into the rest of the video about this thing. There is a promotion. If there wasn't a time to buy a JFEGWO, now's the time to do it. They have provided me with a discount code that gives you 40% off. If you use the promo code here on the screen, I'm going to leave it up here on the screen while I'm talking. If you go and follow the links in the description, I have links to a 6,000 amp, a 3,400 amp, a 3,000 amp, and a 6,000 amp, and an 8,250. But right now, the biggest, best deal going on is for the 3,400 and the 3,000. Now, this discount code is good till the end of August. And I highly encourage you to use it. If you're watching this video after August 31st, I am sorry, the deal is over unless they decide to extend it. If they do decide to extend it, I won't have an announcement on that, but just try the code that's presented anyway and see if you get any discounts. Now, this is 40% off. Right now, I see Amazon has discount codes, coupons for 50% off on some of their stuff. So the 50% off now is the time to buy. I'll be honest with you, I just bought two myself. I went and tried the discount code, used it on one that didn't have the coupon, used another one that had a coupon. I saved myself close to $90 buying two of them. I bought a 3,000 and I bought a 3,400 because I believe in these things. I've got this one for free for doing this video. I'll be upfront and transparent, but I also have bought three myself, two just today and one a long time ago. I've been using JFEGWO for years. They're hard to beat. So without saying anything more, check out the links in the description. Get your discount code. Get your JFEGWO today. And don't miss out. Come on, guys. If you follow my channel, you know I don't BS anybody. Now, on with the rest of the video. Thank you for your patience. And please like and subscribe. Hi there, folks, and welcome to another episode of Michael in the Backyard. This video is 100% about JFEGWO. It's not a very long video, so hang with me. I think you'll appreciate what JFEGWO has to offer. Jump starter. Now, you guys have seen jump starters. They're everywhere, but none of them hold up or do what I think they should do like the JFEGWO does. I've been using JFEGWO for years now, and I have zero complaints about the product reliability, the quality in which it's built, and the usability. They're really awesome. Now, this one does not look, the cover is not clean, and the actual machine here is got spots on it and stuff. But that's because I used it. I was going to do a video real quick as soon as I got it. And as soon as they provided it to me, it's like, let's get a video popped out. But I actually wanted to put it to the test. I wanted to use it, put it through the test, and make sure the brand new 8250A air compressor up to 300 PSI would perform as advertised. And I'm here to tell you, it does. Now, in this instance right now, this is the whole pack. It's got a nice carrying handle on it. It's got your air hose attachment on the back. It's got a nice small case. It's smaller than my 6,000 case actually. And you got your accessories in here. You've got your air hose attachment, which I'm getting ready to use. You screw that onto the back of the piece that's on the back of the machine here. And then you got your jump cables. You've got a power outlet. You've got your charging. Free gift. And you got a cable to charge it, to hook up, where's it at? Right here. To hook up your free gift to the machine here. All right, I call it a machine because it works hard. So what we're going to do, get you guys set up here. This is a real life situation. I'm getting ready to go fishing this morning, and I've pulled my boat out of a long winter slumber and halfway through the summer before I pull this boat back out. we're gonna attach this onto our valve stem attachment. This comes with other little adapters, so you can put air up a basketball, blow up some small inflatables. This thing will run a long time on a charge. Now in this particular application, I'm checking the air in my boat tires. I don't need to have an air gauge to do that. I can do it right here with this. Now, if we're gonna do air, now with it powered on, we're gonna go ahead and hook the valve stem up to the tire. And we're gonna go to mode. We'll go into air. This is 36 pounds. I wanna take this up to 50 for a trailer tire. Once you got it to 50, it's showing at 42.5. I'm gonna leave this in real time. When it gets to 50, it's all done. And don't let all the air out when you pull that off, but we're good. And in this application, it's one of those situations, the easier you make something to use, the more likely it'll be used, especially when we're talking in a maintenance situation, like maintaining the air pressure on your vehicle tires, trailer tires, and whatnot. What I like about it, it tells you what kind of pressure you currently have in your spare tire. 19 pounds, that's not good. And just like that, we've got the trailer tires all serviced with air, which is awesome. Now that we're done putting all the air in the vehicles, this little hose stows away really nice right behind it here. Let's show you some of the other features. It's like your cell phone today. It's not just a phone anymore. So now that we've got it here, look at this. We've got all these connections out, USB-A, USB-C in, type C in, that's for in and out. And we've got another type C, which is USB-C out. And then we've got a regular out, so you can hook your 12 volt power outlet. If you need an outlet like, or a power socket like this, boom, you've got power. This also has a very nice light on the side here that you can turn on as well. And over here, this is a 12 volt out. Do not short circuit, it says. They've error-proofed this, so this can only go in one way. And just like that, you're ready to jump start any vehicle. And we're talking up to very large diesels. Now we've aired up all the tires and we're still at 82%. We've got there's plenty of jumping power going on here for sure. It's got this really nice carrying case. Everything stows away nice and neat and tidy. You can put all your accessories and all your wiring right in this little zipper pocket up top. Charging cable, power outlet. It all fits so comfortably in here. Some of these things you buy, things barely fit within an inch of their life. This one, easy peasy. Oh, power outlet, there we go. That's your JFEGWO Jump starter. You got to get you one of these. And if you follow the promo code that I'll leave down in the description, you possibly could get a pretty good discount. So check out the description below for a link to pick you up one of these and the possible discount code. I'm not sure if the discount code will expire, but take advantage of it as soon as possible after this video comes out. But don't be afraid to check it out anytime. Now I keep one of these JFEGWOs in my boats. I've got one that I move from boat to boat. I've got one that I keep in my vehicle at all times. Because there's nothing worse than being out on your boat. For example, in this case, Michael's Backyard Marina, we go out in the boat on the regular as I can. And you might run the radio a little long. You might run your trolling, or not your trolling motor, but your fish finder a little long. You don't realize you're draining down the battery that starts your outboard or inboard engine. I had this happen to me last year, and luckily I had thrown that in the boat. Not this particular one. I didn't have this one at that time, but I threw one of the 3000 or the 6000 into my boat and went to start the old engine up, and it went click, 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 click. I'm like, not a problem. Pull the cover off, put it on the old battery, boom, fired up just like he was fully charged, and got us back to the dock. Prevented us from doing a lot of paddling or just being in an awkward situation. There's nothing worse and more embarrassing than getting towed in. And I do my best not to get towed in. Well, as you folks have seen here today, I've demonstrated a lot of different uses for the JFEGWO. Get yourself one. They're very useful. I don't promote anything I don't believe in. I have turned down a lot of other jump pack people that said, hey, would you want to do a jump pack video for us? And I'm like, nope, I only do the JFEGWOs. Now, will I take another one from somebody else and try it? You bet. But if it doesn't measure up, it doesn't make the channel. And so far, nothing else has made the channel. And you guys have, if you've followed me long enough, you know I don't endorse anything I don't believe in and or use. I also thought it was worthwhile to mention, this will start up to a 14-liter gas engine up to a 12-liter diesel engine. That's a big engine. All right, folks, not every day is a perfect day here in my backyard. Sometimes the batteries are just dead, and you don't know why. You discover that your system's putting out a great charge, but your batteries are just stone cold, gone bad on you, and you don't have time to buy a battery, but you got work to get done, and you got to get this thing moved. We got the same 8250 here hooked up. It's 68% life left in it. Let's see if she'll fire up this beast. Oh yeah, baby. Now keep in mind, this is a big diesel engine. She has got, I'm not sure what liter it is. It's a Detroit diesel DT 466. I honestly couldn't tell you what liter it is. But we do know this thing will start up to, I think, a 14-liter diesel engine. No, 14-liter gas engine, 12-liter diesel. And she's off and running like she should. It will also start up other diesel engines that I have in. So when you don't have the battery, yeah, this will get you going until you can get them batteries purchased. It can also be used to start up your tractor and implements, like Big Mo here, in case you have a dead battery on it. It can also work on its tires as well. Let's not forget, you can help yourself as well as help others when you have a JFEGWO jump pack. And with all the new modern day electronics in all these vehicles today, you don't want to hook a set of jumper cables from your car to another car because you have no idea what kind of problems that other car is having. You don't know why their battery is dead. Maybe their electrical system is shot, and it's going to zap all kinds of stuff back through the jumper cables into your vehicle, and all of a sudden you're going to start having all these electrical ghosts show up, and you won't know what to do, and it's going to cost you thousands of dollars in repairs possibly. I only know this because I've known people that have experienced this and had this happen to them, and a JFEGWO jump pack will prevent that. Now, because we always want to help somebody, we don't want to leave somebody stranded. If you have one of these, you can help them trouble-free without jeopardizing your own vehicle and in your health of your own vehicle. So that's why one of these are handy. You know, these are great gifts. If you've got kids or grandkids, buy one of these, have them carried around in the trunk of their car. It could save them from being stranded on the side of the road with a slack tire, or go out to a parking lot and they have a tire that's slack, and now they're hanging out in a parking lot waiting for somebody to come help them when they can actually plug this in, air up their tire, get to safety, and get to a place where they can get their tire fixed and or change it out in a safer area that isn't next to a highway or something like that. Now, a blowout, it won't fix blowouts. It just won't happen. But if you get that low tire alarm on your dash, this is your guy. You get that neighbor that needs a jump because they got late for work and you need to help them out. Boom, you got that jump. So just wanted to add that in there. It's that. Let's not forget about the 65 watt USB power outlet that's on the side of this thing. It will actually charge up. You could run your laptop off of it for a certain amount of time. I have no idea. It just depends on what your laptop draws. But you can also, we did this, my son and I did this because he's a drone, and you guys see my videos, you see some drone stuff. He was able to charge up his drone batteries through that 65 watt power outlet on the lake, so we could get 4 more full charges, or 4 more batteries worth of flight time and video time for you guys to watch, just by having that thing along with us. And it still had enough juice when it was all done to be able to jump start at least 1 or 2 more times. Just saying. All right. Michael, the other Michael, not this Michael in this shirt, the Michael in the other shirt, would you mind closing out this video for us? So thank you folks for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Join me here for the next video. And if I'm lucky, I'll see you here. And if it ain't broke, fix it till it is. And take care of one another. Goodbye.